Hello, kindergartners. Today we are going to be learning about how plants make their food. Our learning target today is we can explain that plants make their own food. So, how do you think? How do plants get food? Maybe tell someone near you what you think. What are you thinking? How do plants get food? Let's learn about it. Let's read this story, How Plants Make Food by Karen Jones. What do people and animals do when they are hungry? What do you do when you're hungry? When people or animals are hungry, they have to find food to eat. People and animals need food to live. Plants need food to live too. What do you think plants do when they are hungry? Plants are different than people and animals because plants don't have to find food. Plants make their own food. In order to make their own food, plants need three things: air, water, and sunlight. Plants need air to make food. Air goes through tiny holes in a plant's leaves. Plants need sunlight to make food. Sunlight gets soaked up by the plant's leaves too. Plants need water to make food. Water is soaked up by the roots and travels up the stem to the leaves. Together, these three things make food to nourish the plant. In most plants, food is made in the leaves. This nourishment keeps the plant alive and healthy. This nourishment is what makes the plant grow. The scientific name for this process is called photosynthesis. Can you try to say that? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is when the plant takes the three important ingredients, air, water, and sunlight, and then makes food. What do you think would happen if a plant didn't have all three things it needs to make food? What if it had water and air, but no sunlight? Do you think the plant would be able to make food? No, a plant needs air, water, and sunlight to make food. If one of those important ingredients is missing, it won't be able to make food and the plant will die. Just like people are different, plants are different too. Some plants need a lot of sunlight to make food, and some need only a little. Some plants need lots of water, and some hardly need any. If you are taking care of a plant, it's important to learn the amount of sunlight and water it needs to make food and grow. Plants are special because they make their own food. When they are given the perfect recipe of sunlight, water, air, and plants can make their own food and grow. So now, how do plants get food? They get it from air, water, and sunlight. All right. We're going to take out this page, and on number 1, it says plants make food in their, and then circle it. Do they make food in their leaves or flowers? Number 2 says plants make food with fruit or air. Number 3 says plants make food with water or milk. And number 4 says plants make food with insects or sunlight. Circle the one that's right. Then down here at the quick check, it says, do plants need people to make their food? Yes or no? And this one says, do plants make their own food? Yes or no? When you're done with this, go ahead and post it into the seesaw activity, and I'll see your work there.